New at 5:30, it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and we're taking a closer look at the long-term impact the pandemic is having on patients and survivors.
10 TV's Lindsay Mills reports not only has there been a delay in some diagnoses, a common type of reconstructive surgery has had to be paused for a third time.
A return to traveling, a return to teaching. For Jennifer Hall, a teacher from Liberty Township near Cincinnati, there's now a sense of normalcy after the most challenging time of her life.
I just think in one word, lonely.
Outside her home or the hospital,
When they put my port in, my husband had to drop me off, and you're all by yourself.
there was only one place she could go.
I had a lot of support on the front porch.
The pandemic has posed more challenges for breast cancer patients.
From the start of the pandemic, which was in March, through the end of May, all screening mammograms were suspended.
Dr. Natalie Jones isn't Hall's doctor, but she is a surgical oncologist who specializes in breast cancer surgery at Ohio Health.
It has delayed some diagnoses.
She's urging women to stay on top of routine care, but due to the Delta-driven increase in hospitalizations, when it comes to reconstruction surgery, there's now this.
One of the options for women is autologous tissue flap-based reconstruction, or we call them deep flaps. Those have been put on hold again now for the third time because it usually requires a 3-day hospitalization.
However, Dr. Jones says there's been one advancement.
We've actually figured out through the pandemic how to do most of our mastectomy surgeries, even with reconstruction, as outpatient surgery. So the majority of our patients do not spend the night in the hospital and go home the same day.
For patients like Jennifer Hall, the pandemic has proved one thing: community support is powerful. She found that not only on her porch, but also through a blog written by the mom of one of her students.
She was metastatic, and her blog is called Do Today Well.
An author who will never know the support she provides today.
I hold up her blog so many times during my journey.
Lindsay Mills.
Like I had this friend from the past to help walk me through cancer.
10 TV News.